what's your name? Everybody say hi, Jack! Don't say that on an airplane. Wait, I've heard that somewhere, haven't I? What's your name, sweetheart? Okay, I'm sorry, Jack. We gotta push that right back in. Now, we've got this one.
By way of Walmart. Now, boys and girls, everybody point to my carrot. Yeah? Now point to your nose. Carrot, nose. Carrot, nose. Carrot, nose. Belly button. Woo! Oh, you just dropped your carrot right down inside my little... Do you see that, boys and girls? Oh my goodness, I went back to the library and I got this book right here. Why, this is an amazing book if you want to learn about going to the moon. The name of this book is If You Decide to Go to the Moon. Yeah. What do you mean he's not right? He's fine, he's good, he's right.
Did you read that book? This is a mouse named Meteor. Everybody say hello to Meteor. Everybody just kind of give a little wave there, okay? That's right. And, no, buddy, that's a mouse. It's a mouse. Don't be confused. There's a mouse right there. There's a two. Hold it real quick. That's good. I think they're trying to build a spaceship. Let's put them down in the bag. We're going to put our spaceship together. Everybody, wiggle your fingers.
Take it out. Excuse me, boys and girls. Take it out. Okay. The boys and girls, as long as the carrot's not there, he'll be okay. We're going to talk. Will you stop? Stop that. Okay, let's keep it in my pocket. Now, the good thing is, boys and girls.
Boom, please work. No, it didn't work. So you're trying to get ready. Oh. Everybody, wait your fingers. Wait your fingers. Everybody say Jeffini jelly bean.
Just right. Oh, that's just right. This is what his head looks like. We add air pressure.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blastoff! 1, 2, 3.
You know, Mr. Wiggles just told me, he said he's never felt so real than when he went to the moon. Boys and girls, thank you for coming today.